You clicked on this video because you want to earn money by uploading movies to YouTube without worrying about copyright, right? Well, this video is not for you. Yes, you heard that right. It's not for people who want to make money without putting in any effort. If you're thinking of monetizing content this way, you'll quickly realize it's better to monetize by uploading videos of yourself taking a shit.
What's so damn funny?
Don't worry, you don't have to stress about that because I'm going to show you the right way to earn money. And trust me, it's not that hard. First, let me make this clear. You can only use copyrighted material without a license for certain purposes, such as criticism, commentary, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. For these types of content, you can simply use an AI voiceover to add value. It's that easy.
Nice.
Now, you might be wondering, what kind of videos should I make? Well, don't worry, your hero is here. Here are some movie-related channel ideas using AI voiceover. Feel free to take a screenshot if you like. Now that you know what videos to make, it's time to decide, should you create shorts or longer videos? It all depends on how much time you have and how comfortable you are with editing. You can choose based on that. Now, let me show you how to write the script. First, go to ChatGPT. Use this prompt, and boom, your script is ready. That's all for this video. Check out this video if you want to learn how to use movie clips in your YouTube videos.